Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and my sister sent this to me. It arrived a couple of days ago. Oh, someone's okay. This is the GoodYear auto safety kit that you can buy. That's available in Walmart and Costco and everything else. According to her, this was $39.95 in Costco, and this is something I guess the Philippine seller should probably have as an emergency set. $39.99, it's about $40. It's around 1,600 pesos. It's packaged nice, and you can see it comes with a case ready, so we'll check it out what's inside. But if you look here in the back, it already says you'll get an idea of what's in the back. Okay, but just it actually seeing for ourselves a lot better. So it's there. Let's open it up and see exactly what's inside this GoodYear auto kit. Okay. Oop, looks like we need to put it in side view. Okay. Let's start with the right side. This side. Okay, you can see there's some work gloves in case you need to make some emergency repair. There's duct tape, which is always good. Duct tape solves everything, right? There's an Allen wrench with a what's that? Phillips screwdriver head. Okay. There's an emergency blinker light which you can, I think, hang somewhere. Okay. And I think this is a magnetic one. Okay. But it's not turning on. I guess there's no batteries. We need to open it up. That's why we have a I don't get how to remove. Okay, there. So he chooses 3 of the small the AAA batteries. We'll put it now so that we see exactly how it works. Okay. Oops, I hit the camera. Okay, and then just see, it's a blinker. Okay, so oh nice, so that's different settings. Okay, and it has a flashlight. Oh nice, cool. Okay, so let's seal this up. How do we put it back? Okay, and then just put the screw back later. We'll show you the rest of the things that are inside here. Okay. There's a small cutter, okay, a blade, in case you need to cut something, open it up, or anything else. There's a small power bank here, but I think this is the type of the power bank that actually you can put in batteries. Okay, and you can use the AA batteries, so, or if you want, you can buy rechargeable batteries and recharge it so that you don't keep on throwing stuff. As you can see, this is cool. Yeah. Okay, well now you can turn it on, and there's 800 milliamperes power from the battery. Okay, so you see 5 volts, 800 milliamperes. Okay, so we'll turn it off, put it to the side. The back inside, there's a instruction manual regarding the power bank, manual about the light. Oh, we dropped the screw. We'll screw that again later. Okay, let's see what else is here. There's a scanner, I have the instructions, okay, about the kit, I guess. Emergency blanket, okay, this is, I guess, for the cold, okay. There's an emergency poncho if it's raining and you need to go out of the car. This is, I think, a first aid kit, okay. It comes with bandages, band-aids, and then some wipes, 5 pieces of wipes, okay, and that's it, okay. So you have, if you get, small cuts or whatever that you need to clean, you have that in your kit already, okay. So let's put some of this stuff back. We'll put this the lights last, okay. There's also this tire inflator, which is good, because buying one here in the Philippines, I think I get it costs about $1,000 bucks, okay. So the one thing that I always hated about the one that I had was that the wire was always outside, but this one, it's nice. You can put it in, hide it, okay. And there's the head, and this connection you can use for balls, okay, so beach balls, whatever. This one the left one, this one for basketballs, and I assume volleyballs, okay. Then you can screw this into the head, or you can use this and screw this into your tire and then inflate it, right? There's also a manual, okay. You might want to read it so that you find out how strong the inflator is. It just says here outside it's a 12-volt tire inflator. So you also have this, and where you plug it into the cigarette lighter of the car, and then there's the instructions. It says max pressure of 100 psi, okay. So that should be good enough to inflate your normal car tires, and then the power bottom, and then there's a air pressure gauge, okay. We'll put this back, and then the last thing in the kit is a jumper cable, okay, which everyone needs to have in the car in case your car won't start and you're stuck somewhere out there, if it's snowing, raining, or flooding already. It's a good thing that it's a good kit that GoodYear has created as the auto safety kit. The only things I would add, if I for the car, would be a tow cable, and then probably a bigger power bank that you can use to jumpstart your car. But overall, this is a nice start for a kit that you need to actually have in your car. I already have most of this in my car, but having a second one is always ready, except for the thermal blanket, which we don't need in the Philippines, right? Might need it if you're in Canada and the US, which this is where this kit came from Costco, Canada. Is about $39.95. That's about 1,600 pesos only. So I suggest, if you don't have one or you can't buy one, try to get one, put your own together, so that you are always safe in your car. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.